Alright, here we are. It's April 5th. It's about almost 11 o'clock. And we're on the Potomac in Spoils. We're doing our Crappie tournament. Not much of a tournament, not many caught. We got Albert here.
How you doing? How you doing? Cold.
Patrick's in the back, in the red Kenner. Got Jim up on the front, manning the controls. We started at 7 o'clock, and we got one crappie on board that Jim got. Patrick's got, they did better, much better. They've got at least 4 or 5. And back in there somewhere, back over, straight up in the corner up there, is Dick and his boat. Windy, blowing probably a steady 20-25. Temperature, it's probably in the 50s, but feels colder because of the breeze. And it's mostly, it's pretty bright, shiny.